Hey friends, welcome to vscode. Today I'll show you step by step how to download and install Visual Studio Code, the most popular and free code editor for Python, C++, Java, and many more. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and type vscode in the search bar. You can also use any other browser you prefer. Click on the first link. When the website opens, search for the Windows Download button if you are a Windows user, otherwise, download the version appropriate for your operating system. I'm not downloading it because I already have. Once the download is complete, proceed to the next step. Next, install vscode by running the setup file after the download finishes and following the installation steps. After opening the setup file, an installation window will appear. Click I accept the agreement and then click Next. Select Create a desktop icon and ensure all other boxes are checked, then click Next. After clicking Install, vscode will begin installing. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding to the next step. Click Finish once the installation is complete. Please subscribe to my new YouTube channel and like this, my first video, to help me grow. Thanks for watching.